My mom.
This is interesting. It's got
Yeah.
Olivia!
Get over. Get over.
Pull it.
No, pull it. Oh. The whole thing.
I'm trying. Loud. I can't do anything.
Oliver, you want a turn?
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, get out.
Ollie.
And it's my turn again.
Ollie, get in. Alright, I'll come with you. Alright, ready, Ollie?
My
Go!
goodness.
In!
Whoa.
Ollie.
Wave!
Oliver.
Alright, that's enough. Now spin! Ollie's is up. Alright, it's Caitlin's turn again. That was fun, Ollie. Oh, now it's just gonna be more fun to get up. He doesn't want to get up. Woo.
Should move the car.
Alright, somebody else is Caitlin's turn. Whoa.
Whoa! Ollie, do you want to get in again? Ollie, do you want to get in with Caitlin? I think Ollie wants to get in with Caitlin.
Alright, get over. Oh, get in. He's gonna lay down.
Oh.
That was scary. I was like shaking my head.
Oh no! Oh no!
Ollie.
Ollie!
Whoa! Whoa, Ollie, whoa!
Oh, Ollie!
No! Spin it. Alright, now Slippy's turn. Whoa! Wait. Let's spin Ollie.
Oh!
Alright.
Get out.
Whoa! And then it's gonna be Ollie and I.
Ollie.
It's gonna be Ollie and me, I mean.
Lala!
You're gonna be with
No.
You're gonna be with Joseph.
Joseph, it's fine.
Yeah, he doesn't understand. And he's light enough you can just hear him. Oh, Olivia! Hey, careful.
Alright, our turn.
That thing can break, so be gentle.
Ollie, it's your turn. Wait. Ollie, wait. He wants to go. Alright.
I like peanuts.
Did you enjoy that?
To pick you up again.